Hey there, Mystery X-Files fans! Today we're diving into the strange and unexplained phenomenon known as the hum. In just a few seconds, we'll explore what it is and the theories behind this mysterious sound. Let's go.
The hum is a low-frequency noise heard by people worldwide, often described as a persistent droning sound. It has been reported in various locations, such as the United States, the United Kingdom, and Australia. Some people are more sensitive to it than others, and it can cause sleep disturbances and other health issues. Several theories attempt to explain the hum, ranging from natural causes like tinnitus to man-made sources like industrial equipment. Some even suggest it could be a result of secret government experiments or extraterrestrial activity. However, no definitive explanation has been found, leaving the hum as one of the world's most baffling mysteries. That's it for today's Short on the Hum. If you enjoyed this mysterious phenomenon, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Mystery X-Files for more unsolved cases and eerie stories. Until next time, keep exploring the unknown.